Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Ninja Programming. The last video we created add items functions in this video we'll create the writing file so let's jump to the functions. So we'll give the name of the functions. Let's say um, what's what do you want to name? Let's say if save to file. So what we will do, we'll create the variable writing to file. uh, we'll open, let's assume we have a file name shopping list, pi shopping list.txt, right? And we'll use the write mode and what we'll do, we'll create the for loop for item in the list, whatever inside the list, shopping list. We'll write to that item to the file so alright, writing to file dot write and write that item that item. So I want to write that item, and if you want to for going to step by step, one by one, so just put the new line so it will go for the one item by one after another so this is how we can write to the file, and then we will close again, which is writing to file dot close functions. So we'll close the file. So we'll take these functions here and then we'll let in here so it will item will add, and then we'll save it in here save to file, calling save file functions, right? So you see what we did so once you item by adding to the shopping list is the list here, and then we are saving to the file and you want to go back to put another item you're going to the add items menu again, same in here, or if you press the enter it will go to the main menu. So this is how you can write to the file. So let's run the program, and let's say if you add items name eggs, so item has been added let's say we open the file, let's see, we create the file name which is shopping list. You see the item already is there so it's written here. So this is we can write add to the item to the list and write to the file so next we'll create the view items so you want to view, like, whatever the items you added to your shopping list, like, so um, in view functions, let's say def keyword, view shopping list. Look at this, my spelling, so silly. So view shopping list. So we can copy this tool line again from here, and it's in here, and will be view item screen, like, and in there we can get the number of items, whatever the items inside the shopping list you want to view, like, so you can create the for loop for item in shopping list. We have the shopping list, the list you want to view it them, like, so you want to simply print the items, like, that item. So this prop shopping list will show all the items in here, and then printing all the items here. And so next, what you can do, you can you want to go back to the, after viewing the shopping list, like, you want to go back to the main menu. So what you can do, you just give the user a message, like, um, yes, to go back to main menu. So you call the um, that's input method, like, you have to press enter, like, so you call the main menu in here. So you go back to the main menu. So this is, let's say we run the program here, and okay, we'll just stop in here, and then we'll run the program. And you want to view, like, let's say we press the view V. So okay, so you need to call that view functions in here. You see the main method, like, I forget, sorry, my apology, in here. You see the view, like, so I meant to. So this is how I call that view shopping list, like, so if I run it now and I want to see the view, so view item screen, so it's not, some reason it's not showing the eggs, like, because our eggs already has been added to the items, like, so let's see if it's still there. Yeah, um we'll figure out, like, so see you in the next video. Thanks, bye bye.